Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Sign in with your Google account and confirm two-step verification. This prevents lockouts. Once done, open the Play Console sign-up and enter your developer name and contact email because that appears on Google Play. Make sure you have your $25 one-time fee method ready. The payment confirms identity and activates the account. Finally, pause to double-check phone and billing details so the next screen processes smoothly without interruptions or retry loop. You now fill the developer profile and legal details carefully because Play Store listings and payments rely on exact names and addresses. Enter your public developer name, support email, and optional website for credibility. Then supply legal entity info and tax ID for receipts. Once you accept the developer distribution agreement, you will verify the payment method. This step authorizes the $25 and links your billing. Make sure entries match official documents to avoid verification delays. You finish by confirming activation. Open the Play Console dashboard and verify you can access app creation and publishing tools. Once activated, upload a small draft app or start a store listing to ensure permissions are correct and to trigger any remaining verifications. If something goes wrong, check the email Google used for verification. Payment or identity mismatches are the most common blockers. If needed, correct the shown details and retry payment, because that usually resolves account holds quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.